Hey, our friends, I got my special little guest with me again. What's your name? What's your name?
Hi, baby.
Baby? we call her Baby just because it's a little easier sometimes than Olivia. Are you excited to do a lesson today?
Yeah.
Yeah? What are we going to draw?
I
Do you remember?
Mama, baby circles.
Yeah, we're going to color circles, but we're going to draw a fish.
Fish.
Yeah, say fish.
Fish.
And how old are you? Can you say 2? 2. Beep, beep, beep. Now today we're going to draw a super simple fish. This lesson is meant for our really young art friends, just like you. I love you so much. Okay, Olivia, are you ready to draw?
Yeah.
Oh. All right, Olivia, let's get our blue crayon. Now you're using our Faber-Castell beeswax crayons, and I'm using oil pastels from Faber-Castell. And we're gonna.
Boy.
That is a really cute little circle. Oh, I like it. Okay, all right, watch me. Oh, you're doing awesome. Okay,
Yeah.
watch me. I'm gonna draw a big circle right in the middle of the paper. Look, big circle. Oh, keep going. That is so awesome. Good job. Give me 5. You're doing another one? Yeah. Olivia, you are such a good artist. I'm going to go up and then down. Can I help you?
Yeah.
Watch this. We're going to come up here and we're going to do this right here. We're going to go up and down. Okay. We're going to go up and down.
Yeah.
You did it.
Up,
You want to
down.
do? Yeah. Good. Now we're going to do a tail on the back. We're going to go one line up. I'll help you right here. Right here.
I want up.
You're going to do it?
One eye up.
You did it. Give me 5 all by yourself. Now let's do another one. Can you do one more? Right here. Yeah, this is going to be the tail. Okay, now we're going to draw a line to connect them. Right here, draw a line to connect. You switched to your right hand, you silly.
Yeah, what?
You can do both. Yeah. Oh, I'm watching. She's tracing her hand right now. We do that all the time, and she loves it. She loves tracing around her hand. That's a really fun activity to do with your kid also. You're doing such a good job. I'm so proud of you. Let's finish the tail over here. I'm going to help you. Watch, right here, we're going to draw a line that goes across. There, look, that's the fishy tail. Should we add a face? Let's draw an eye on our fishy. Right here, draw us eye. Yeah, you did it.
Another one?
Now let's do, oh, we could add another one. Should we add another eye right next to it, right here? There's always 2 eyes, right? Even if it's the side of the fish.
I did say one circles.
2 eyes.
With your eyes.
Yeah.
Morning.
This is the fin, and this is the tail.
Tail.
What are we missing? A mouth?
Mouth.
Are you gonna draw a mouth for me?
Yeah.
I'm gonna. Okay, you draw a mouth. You did it! I love the little mouth you drew. Do you want? Can I draw a mouth on yours?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. There's a mouth.
What?
What? You drew my mouth, and I drew your mouth.
Wow.
Yeah. Oh, okay. It maybe didn't like it so much. Now I'm gonna add some stripes to my fish. I'm gonna draw 2 lines down, and I'm gonna color in the stripes. Now this part I think might be a little too tricky for Olivia, and that's okay. She can just you can keep drawing. What are these?
Lines?
Lines, yeah. And I'm gonna add another stripe, kind of like how we did with the bee. And I'm gonna add stripes on the tails too.
There.
I like it. A little circle down here at the bottom. It's so cute.
No one.
Yeah.
No one.
Another
one.
Another circle. I'm gonna draw one more stripe
Yeah.
on my fish. And then I'm gonna switch to yellow.
Yellow.
Yeah, yellow. Let's color in our fish. Do you want to color in the fish? I'm gonna color in between the stripes. Over here, back here. You're doing a great job, Olivia. Do you want to color? Look up here. See the fin? Look, Dad's gonna color the fin too.
Oh.
Yeah, you color your fin. You could also color the tail down here. You want to color the tail?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm gonna draw the little mouth on here a little darker, right where you right where you drew it. Then I'm gonna color in the head. In these lessons I do with my little girl, I love just using a couple colors. And then when we're doing just crazy drawings, I let her use all of the colors. And it's fun both ways. So I love using just a couple colors to get her to change and to be able to recognize the color. And then when we just go crazy, she just uses all the colors. I'm gonna finish coloring my fish, just like you. Look at that. Your drawing is turning out so cool. In this lesson, we tried to do a couple of things with our little artist. We tried to do a circle. We also tried to draw a line up and down. So not just a line that's straight, but also two lines that are connected. Then we also tried to connect two lines together. So this one we keep the pencil down or to keep the crayon down. And this one we draw two that are separate and then draw a third line that connects them. Then the coloring we just kind of have fun with. I like doing patterns though to try and get them to copy a pattern, but they can just do whatever they want to finish their fish. We did it, Olivia! We finished coloring our fish, and you did such a great job. Yours is my favorite. Did you have fun, Olivia?
Yeah!
We hope you guys had a lot of fun following along with us, and I want to see how your little art... And I want to see how awesome your drawings turned out. So parents, be sure to take a photo of your little artist drawing and then post it to Instagram so we can check it out. We'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye!
Bye!
Hey, should we draw your hand? Let's turn it over and let's draw your hand like this. Watch this. Okay, we switch. Okay, spread your fingers. There you go. Put it down. Boop. And we're gonna go around. All the way around your fingers. Yeah. I like it. Can I do mine?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Okay.
Here we go.
Wow.
My hand is so big. Are you gonna lift it up for me? Lift
Yeah.
it, lift it, up, up. Oh. Yeah. There's both our hands. It's like we're holding hands.